In this example, we're going to expand our knowledge on what we learned in the previous example by applying another feature that we can add on the if statement, which is the AND operator. So let's create a new file, and we are going to call this, save it as flow control example 3.java. So I'll simply copy code from the previous example because it's just going to be something similar to what we've done already. So just change this to flow control example 3, and I have to close my curly bracket for the public static void main method and close my curly bracket for the public class. So I'm just going to Control S to save this, and what we want to do here is to check two conditional statements in one if statement. This is how it goes. You can put an if statement, for example, and say if age is equals to 45, and put two ampersands here, and then say name dot equals. Now the dot equals method is a method of string that can be used to test whether a particular string variable is equals to another string. So for instance, if we want to test if the name is equals to, let's say, Kylo Ren, okay, so if that's true, we can say, let's say, system dot out dot print line, like we did before. You can say name, that's the Kylo Ren, welcome, welcome to the dark side. Okay, and then again, system out, that's print line, done. Okay, so let's go ahead and compile this, but before I compile, let me re-explain this. What's going to happen here is that this if statement is going to test for two conditions to see if they are true. The first condition is that the age must be equal to 45, and the second condition is for the name to be equal to Kylo Ren. So if these two conditions are met to be true, then this statement can be executed. If one of them is true and the other is not true, or this other one is true and the other one is not true, okay, then both conditions cannot be evaluated to be true. So that is just how this is going to work. Both conditions, this side and this other side, must be evaluated to be true. So let's go ahead and compile this code. So I'll go back to the command prompt, and let me clear the screen. So we're gonna compile this program by typing java flow control example 3.java. I know this is good news, so I'm gonna run this. Here we go. So if I enter my name as Jefferson, and enter my age as, let's say, 12, I get done because none of these conditions were met. But if I enter my let's run this again. So I enter my name as Jefferson, and then I enter my age as 45, I still get done because although the first condition is met, age is equal to 45, the second condition is not met because my name should be equal to Kylo Ren. So let's try that one more time. So run this again. Then I enter my name as Jackson. Oh, sorry, Kylo Ren. Kylo Ren. And enter my age as 5. And here we go. You see, Kylo Ren, welcome to the dark side. So that's it for this tutorial. Remember that we're testing for the and symbol in an if statement to test for two conditional statements. Of course, you can also test for as many conditional statements as you want. So if you want to test some of for, let's say, 3 conditional statements to see if they're all true, you can add the and symbol again, and then whatever statements you want to add here and evaluate that to see if that's true. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next tutorial.